Alright guys, so if you're watching Amazon Prime Video on your iPhone, but you're seeing this black burst around the video, well, let's see how to make it fill the whole screen properly, full screen for a better viewing experience. Now first launch the app and play any video you want to watch. Now once the video starts, switch it to full screen. And now to remove these black birds, you can either use two fingers and swipe right on the screen, like this. And you can also place two fingers on both sides of the video and stretch the screen outwards. Now this will kind of zoom in and make it fill the entire display. And now it's in full screen mode. Now on iPhone, the notch will be visible on the screen. That's the only catch. If you ever want to zoom back out, just use your two fingers or swipe in the opposite direction to return to the normal view. And that's all for today. Happy watching.